At 3 million plus, do you think paid ads make your revenue more stable or more stressful?
It can go either way, right? If you have your offer super dialed in and you know what you're doing, you have the right team in place, and you've got redundancy in the different roles in your company, then adding more demand, whether via organic or ads, can be a smoother sailing process. On the other side, if your delivery is a mess, if the company is still like kind of wobbly, and you're just adding more demands, adding more spend, adding more team members on top of a bunch of rickety systems, and a kind of unstable, fragile operation, then yeah, you're probably destined for a bunch of chaos. So here's the deal, right? Like growth always comes at cost, right? And no one's going to tell you that growth is easy, because it's always going to stretch you as a founder, stretch you as a team, and it's going to go and bring up new problems. I think the only thing that's really inevitable in a company as you scale are problems, right? But if you have the right leadership team in place, if you've been able so far to scale it to 3 million in a way that's stabilized, and again, most businesses break, especially in the info type space, in that sort of delivery area of it. And so what I think is key when you're getting to those levels is that you have the right redundancy in place, right? You have multiple sales folks, multiple customer success folks, multiple people on the marketing side, so that you're able to take that additional demand without it breaking roles, people, and just the overall culture.